Hello kids, let's learn some colors and shapes. Yellow color, orange color, dark green color, blue color, dark brown color, let's draw the shape. Right triangle, triangle, pie, upside arrow, arrow,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
star,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
sky blue color,
Old MacDonald had a
right triangle,
E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
right triangle, sky blue color, dark green color,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
triangle,
And on his farm he had a
triangle,
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there, here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm,
triangle,
E-I-E-I-O.
dark green color, light pink color,
Old MacDonald had a farm,
pie,
E-I-E-I-O.
this is pie,
On his farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a
pie,
here, there, everywhere. Old MacDonald
light pink color,
had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
peacock green color, upside arrow, upside arrow,
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some ducks,
peacock green color,
E-I-E-I-O. With a here and a there,
yellow color,
there, everywhere. Old
arrow,
MacDonald had a farm,
this is arrow,
E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
yellow color,
And on his farm he had some sheep, E-I-E-I-O.
violet color,
With a here and a there,
star,
there, everywhere. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
star, violet color,
Old MacDonald had a farm,
right triangle, triangle, pie,
on his farm
upside arrow, arrow, star. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.
Everywhere.